In this video, I'm going to show you how we can enable PowerShell transcription service using group policy. So PowerShell transcription is a service that enable you to see what your user is typing. It basically store the input and output of all PowerShell command enter into a PowerShell session. So this policy should be applicable where high security is demanded. You want to know if any attack is occurring, where the attack vector is PowerShell. So it also captures the all the sensitive information like username and password whenever you take a session using PowerShell. So be very be very that if you are enabling this setting, then yeah, you should know that if the user has access to the folder, then he can read the credential also. So let's enable this policy. So go to group policy and go to computer configuration, go to administrative templates, go to window components, and then search for Windows PowerShell. Here you will see turn on PowerShell transcription. So double click this policy and click on enable. If you want to save it to a specific directory, you can type here the output directory. Otherwise, it will store in the documents folder of your user. Click on OK. So this will going to create a folder for the current date. If I open the PowerShell and execute any command, it will include all the output in the plain text as you will see. So I will type a very popular command get child item. So now this output will be saved in your directory under your username. So go to your username and username directory, and here it is the documents folder. Here you will see one folder is there in the name of current date, and here you will see the transcript. So whatever was in this document, whatever we have typed inside the PowerShell, all is visible to you. So in this way, this policy works. Thanks for watching.